This is the ERAE II, the new version of our Expressive controller.
The ability to play electronic sound with gestures, with musical articulation, breaks down the boundaries between acoustical instrument and synthetic sounds. Our mission has been from day one to bring modern features from software to a tangible hardware product.
In 2020, we unveiled our first project, the ERAE Touch, on Kickstarter. Since then, over 1,500 musicians have put their trust in us. The product has been used in a wide variety of ways, with extremely rich and different musical ideas, both in the studio and on stage.
The core of ERAE II is our 3D touch technology. We've been refining it over the year, following user feedback, to reach a new level of performance. Since our first product, we've come up with many ideas to improve detection, including a patented system that increases resolution by a factor of 4 without compromising latency and frequency. We're very proud to be able to put this technology in your hand. The sensors improve every aspect of the experience: a lower force threshold, better dimensional accuracy, and excellent linearity on the whole surface.
Then we developed a unique skin that connects the sensors to your fingers. This material is designed to provide the perfect gliding sensation, with just the right amount of softness and the organic feel of fabric. The light is well diffused, the contours are sharp and pleasing to the eyes, enabling long sessions without eye strain. But that's not all. The skin can be replaced in just a few minutes, and our Kickstarter backers will receive a second skin made of black silicon. Create your own layout with the companion software ERAE Lab. It's a simple yet powerful creation software. Elements, MIDI settings and styles can be defined and tested in just a few clicks. Now you can control multiple sound parameters with a single gesture and explore new possibilities on your favorite synthesizers. ERAE II detects a wide range of gestures, including velocity, vibrato, slides, pitch bends, aftertouch, and release velocity. We added an 8-track looper. Every subtle gesture is recorded on the fly. Set the duration, quantization, and BPM. Override, overdub, just have fun. The built-in arpeggiator lets you modify the rate or the octave field with the pressure, while you still can bend or glide to bring even more dynamics to your music. The ERAE II is a powerhouse of connectivity, with one USB-C output, 2 MIDI analog outputs, and 24 CV analog outputs. Use the ERAE II as a 24 voices CV looper. Create intricate patterns and add sparkles to your modular patches.
ERAE II embodies years of research, hundreds of feedback, and our desire to bring a new standard in musical expression. When we founded the company in 2018, we had a vision for the music controller of our dreams. ERAE II is a huge leap forward. The user experience, the manufacturing process, the design quality, and the sensor's performance all have benefited from our experience and your feedback. Back us now and be one of the first to experience it.